Hey boys and girls, today we are going to start doing something new with fractions, and so we're going to start off with an activity to help us kind of visualize what it is we're saying. So I don't know if you've ever been invited to one before, but today you're invited to a rice party, and that means you're at a party and we're serving rice. So I know it sounds like a lot of fun. Okay. So let's think about this. So I've got my cups with my rice in them. Okay. All right. So let's say that I want everybody at my party to get 2 cups of rice. Okay. So I am going to have, so if I want everybody to get 2 cups of rice, I'm going to think about what I'm doing, because when you have a party, you need to plan. So we've got our people and our servings. That means how much they get. Okay. And then how much rice there is. All right, so I want everybody to get 2 cups or 2 servings of rice. Okay, and if I have 3 people, I want to think about how much rice that would be. So if I have 3 people and they're each going to get 2 cups of rice, how much rice would I need to fix? You probably know right off you need to fix 6 cups. Okay. Well, now let's think about a different way. So I've got my 6 cups. Everybody, my 3 people. This is 1 serving, 2 servings, 3 servings. So that equaled 6 cups of rice altogether. Okay. Well, what if, I like a lot of people at my party, so what could I do different to have more people at my party? If I want more people at my rice party, maybe I could give everybody less rice. Rice goes a long way if you've ever helped cook rice. So if I wanted to invite 6 people, how much rice would they be able to get? I still have my same 6 cups of rice, but now I have 6 people. How many cups of rice can everybody get? They can each get 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So everybody's going to get 1 cup of rice. Okay. Well, now, it's been a long time. I want to see some friends. So I want to think of a way that I can invite more friends to my party. I only have these 6 cups. Is there a way? So I'm keeping my 6 cups. Is there a way that I can invite some more people to my party? So I want us to think about that. If I invite more people, that means everybody's going to get less rice. So I need to be thinking about that while I'm planning. They're not going to get a whole cup of rice because now I'm inviting more people. We've got to share it more. And you've probably noticed here, we've been multiplying to get our answer. 3 people times 2 cups is 6 cups total rice. 6 people times 1 cup is 6 cups total rice. Okay. So let's say I want to invite 12 people. Okay. 12 people. Twice as many as what I've got. I need to think, how much rice can I give them? I only have 6 cups. So this might be tricky because I can't give them each a cup because I don't have enough rice. So let's think about what we could do. Okay? If you were here in class with me, we would play with the rice and work it out. But what if I gave everybody a half of a cup? A half and a half is a whole. A half and a half is a whole. And we're just estimating here. A half and a half is a whole. If I have 12 halves, half and a half is a whole. Half and a half is a whole. That's going to be 6 cups. So if I want 12 people at my party, I can give them all a half of a cup of rice. So right here, we were multiplying a fraction. 12 times a half gave us 6. A lot of times we hear half of 12. And that's easy for us to think, oh yeah, half of 12 is 6. A lot of times you'll see that tiny little word of, and it helps us know that we're multiplying because we're finding a half of the 12. We had our 12, and 12 people, and we gave each of them a half. So even though we were multiplying, and we multiplied by 12, our answer was smaller than 12 because we were getting an amount. We were giving everybody a less amount. So that would continue to. So I want to continue with what we were saying. So on our sticky note, I had written, if you have 3 people, they each get 2 cups of rice. They would have 6 cups. So this is just our whole numbers. Then if we have 6 people, we want to invite more people to our party. They would each get 1 cup of rice. Still equals our 6 cups. But I really want a lot of people at my party, so I'm going to invite 12 people. I know I can't give them a whole cup because I know 6 times 1 is 6. So I knew that half of 12 would give me that 6. So now, if I want to invite even more people, let's say I want to invite 24 people. I know I only have 6 cups of rice still. That hasn't changed. So let's think, what amount could I give each friend? Look at our pattern. I notice that 6 times 2 is 12. 6 times what would give you 24? That would be 4. So everybody could get 1/4 of a cup. Okay? So you'll see here, we're multiplying this fraction. We multiplied by 1/4. So we could do that more times. You get 1/4, 1/4, 1/4, 1/4. So 4 people could share 1 cup of rice. Where in this case, 2 people were sharing a cup. In this case, 1 person had it. In this case, they were really hungry and they each got 2 cups. So you may could think of another way that you could do it. Before we move on from this though, I want to show you the relationship that we see here with multiplication and division. So, if I have 6 cups, if I just reverse this, 6 cups divided among 3 people, they're still getting those 2 cups each. Okay? Or, if we have, erase some, let's see. So if we come down here, 12 people and half a cup, that was 6 cups. Or we could do the division. I have 6 cups and I divide a half a cup each. That means I can have 12 people there. So we're going to really use what we know about multiplication to help us with division and what we know about division to help us with multiplication. Those inverse operations are always really helpful for us. Just like when we're multiplying and dividing whole numbers, when we're dividing those whole numbers, we're always thinking about our multiplication facts that go along with those. All right, so I want you to keep thinking about that as we continue to do this work.